Hello class 12th. Again in this video lecture we will start same chapter lesson number 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance. But what is new in this video lecture? After the particular topic of electric potential due to a point charge, due to the dipole, now here we can discuss a very important, very short, very small and very interesting topic which is equipotential. Now by the name equipotential, when we can divide in the two way this particular word equi and potential. So equi means same and potential, that means those particular surface where potential remains same. Now again, what is the use? Again are how and why concept. Sir, why we read this topic? No problem. By equipotential surfaces we can easily find out where the particular electric field will be stronger as compared to the other region. We can easily find out where the particular region electric field will be strong and where the particular electric field will be. Now here we start with the definition of equipotential surfaces. Like here definition, an equipotential surface is that surface at every point on which electric potential is same. A particular surfaces means we know that what is the meaning of potential means एक particular charge को एक हम certain work done करा के एक electric field में लेके आ रहे हैं, but suppose कर एक that particular field where the particular potential remains same. Suppose करिए आपकी क्लास के अंदर एक particular student फर्स्ट बेंच से सेकंड बेंच पे मूव कर रहा है, सर्टेन वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. बट सपोज करिए एक फर्स्ट बेंच जहाँ पे 2% बैठते हैं, अगर उसको अपनी ही बेंच पर शिफ्ट होना है समथिंग इट इज़ लुक लाइक equipotential surface. Same way we know that by the definition of electric potential difference. Okay, inside the particular electric field, suppose the charge q is moved from A to B. Okay, so by the definition of potential difference between 2 point B and A, we know that the potential difference will be VB minus VA. It will be equals to work done A to B. Okay, which will be equals to VB minus VA. Potential on B and potential of A will be equals to work done A to B. Okay, if the point A and B lie on a equipotential surface, देखिए फर्स्ट बेंच से सेकंड बेंच पर अगर कोई मूव कर रहा है सर्टेन वर्क डन लगेगा, बट सेम वे इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बेंच if particular person is shift from this position to this position. Okay, that means if the particular point A and B lie on a equipotential surface, and as per the definition equipotential surface, those surface where the potential remains same means VB and VA will be equals. So now look at here, VB equals to VA, potential at B will be equals to potential of A. Okay, now so work done A to B will be equals to VB minus VA will be 0. कोई एक्स्ट्रा वर्क डन नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज जो पर्टिकुलर पोटेंशियल B पर होगा वही पोटेंशियल A पर होगा, विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0. नो एक्स्ट्रा वर्क डन. ओके, नाउ हैंस नो वर्क इज डन इन मूविंग द टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट of equipotential surface to the other. That means अगर आपका particular charge equipotential surfaces पर है तो उसके लिए उसको कोई work done नहीं करना है. Okay, so now if dl is a small distance over the equipotential surface, suppose this is a particular surface where a particular charge is moved with the and cover dl distance. Okay, so if dl is a small distance over the equipotential surface through which unit positive charge is carried. ठीक है, हम एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को लेके आ रहे इक्विपोटेंशियल सर्फेसेस पर. सो बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्क डन विल बी, लुक एट हियर, वर्क डन विल बी W इक्वल्स टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Okay, now how we can note down this thing? So now we know that electric field E will be equals to F by Q. Okay, now we easily can note down, we can replace here particular F. Okay, so now what we can note down here, W will be equals to, if we replace F, we can note down EQ, and the particular distance is, look at here, W equals to EQ and multiply with the DL. Okay, but what we take here, if DL is a small distance over the equipotential surface through which unit positive charge लेके आ रहे हैं. So again we know that dW will be equals to क्या होने वाला है, force into distance. Okay, but we know that force will be equals to electric field will be equals to E by Q. So when we replace it, so we can write dW equals to EQ and DL. But here what, here the particular charge जो आपने charge लिया है, it will be a unit positive charge. So Q will be unit positive charge. So we can write dW will be equals to E dot DL. So that's the reason we can now note down dW will be equals to EDL. Now when we perform dot product between them, so EDL cos theta will be equals to 0. Now it is a very important condition. Okay, EDL cos theta will be 0, work done will be 0, क्योंकि हम बोल चुके हैं एज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ इक्विपोटेंशियल सर्फेसिस कि आपको कोई भी वर्क डन नहीं करना है, बिकॉज उस पर्टिकुलर सरफेस पर आपका पोटेंशियल बी पॉइंट पर, पोटेंशियल ए पॉइंट पर सेम है. एक पर्टिकुलर बेंच पे अगर दो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन बैठे हैं तो एक पर्टिकुलर जब स्टूडेंट इसी बेंच पे शिफ्ट होगा तो एक्स्ट्रा वर्क डन नहीं करना है. जब उसको सेकंड बेंच पे जाना तो उसको एक सर्टेन वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, उठना पड़ेगा, देन मूव करना पड़ेगा, उसमें आपका फोर्स भी लगेगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी होगा, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो नाउ द कंडीशन ये कह रही है आपको वर्क डन तो करना नहीं है. सो बाय द डेफिनेशन वी कैन राइट ई डी एल कॉस थीटा 0. नाउ कॉस थीटा विल बी 0. आपके पास ये क्वांटिटी 0 कब होगी, वैन थीटा इन द कॉस थीटा विल बी 0. या तो कॉस थीटा 0 हो जाए इन दिस कंडीशन, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट हो रही है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी हुआ ही है, मान के चल रहे हैं. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन इज पॉसिबल व्हेन थीटा विल बी पाई बाई 2 और 90 डिग्री. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इस कंडीशन में अगर इस टर्म को 0 होना है, एक ही कंडीशन बचती है, आपके पास cos थीटा 0 होना चाहिए. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन व्हेन द cos थीटा 0, दैट मीन्स the angle must be 90, and this angle is a 90 between electric field and the particular surface. इसका simple meaning निकलता है, that means the electric field is just perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces. Okay, so here we can say that whatever the particular surface is there, but always electric field will be perpendicular or normal to the particular surface. That means हमें एक आइडिया मिल गया कि अगर आपके पास इक्विपोटेंशियल सर्फेसेस हैं तो डेफिनेटली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस उनके perpendicular on it normal होने वाली हैं. This is a very very important concept of equipotential surfaces. Now look at again, because we know that theta may be 90 or pi by 2, that means cos theta will be 0. So accordingly we can write electric field intensity E is always normal to the equipotential surfaces. And we know that for a single charge Q, we already derived the formula for a point charge, and we know that the potential by a single charge will be V equals to KQ by R, and by the definition of equipotential surfaces, okay, when V will be constant, that means R is also constant. Therefore, hence equipotential surfaces of a single point charge are concentric spherical surface centered at the charge. Means if somebody say to us, please draw the equipotential surface for a single charge. So look at here. So this is a particular center charge, okay, and this particular concentric circles, look at here, these are this one, this one, this one. So these are equipotential surfaces over a particular point charge, and we know by the definition what we done here, the electric field is always normal to the equipotential surface. So look at here, here we can draw like that. These are the particular electric field which is just normal to the particular equipotential surfaces, and these are equipotential surfaces. If we want to draw the equipotential surface over a uniform electric field lines, look at here, these are the uniform electric field lines. So we can easily draw the equipotential surface over it like that. So these are equipotential surfaces of uniform electric field, okay. So these are the equipotential surfaces here. Okay, now if we have if we want to draw the equipotential surface for a two charge system, okay, so for two charge system, it is not a dipole. So look at here, here is one is a positive charge, positive Q charge, and here also a positive Q charge. Accordingly they have to spread the electric field lines here. So these are the concentric circles, okay. So these are the particular equipotential surfaces, okay. Now look at here, because due to heavy repulsions, the electric field lines are look like that way. Here also same thing. Because due to the positive charge, electric field lines are coming outwards, and these are due to the repulsion. So these are equipotential surfaces here, equipotential surface, and these are the particular field line, these are the field lines, okay. We are going to draw the equipotential surface for dipole, means one positive and one negative charge system. So here we can take one positive charge, and here we can take one negative charge. So look at here, the electric field lines are just like that way. It will be outward from positive and inward from negative charge, look like that. Okay, if we want to draw the equipotential surface, so we can draw like that. Now here this one, and here this one, and here this one, like that, and here. So these are equipotential surface, and these are the field lines. Look at some important points regarding the equipotential surfaces. So look at here, as per we already knew that no work is done, means the particular work done W will be 0. no work is done in moving a test charge from one point to another point on an equipotential surfaces. As per the definition of electric potential, when we will take the charge from infinity, we require some work done. But on the equipotential surface, like in your class, same bench, no work done. Okay. Now, electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surface, because we know that cos theta will be 0, means theta must be 90 degree. No two equipotential surface can intersect each other. When we draw the particular equipotential surfaces, okay, so these particular surfaces cannot be intersect. Okay. Now, equipotential surfaces are closer in region if the particular region where they are very closer, like that, means of a strong electric field, means here the electric field will be strong. Okay. And they are further apart in the region of weak electric fields. Now suppose when we draw a particular equipotential surface like that, so in this particular region, as compared of this one, electric field is weak. So here we can easily understand the concept of equipotential surfaces. I hope you can easily understand the concept of equipotential surfaces. Thank you very much.